Hello. Wondering how to connect your Shopify store with your SubscriptionFlow account? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, log into SubscriptionFlow. On your dashboard, click on the gear icon on the top right to enter administration settings. Navigate to the marketplace and click on SubscriptionFlow. Here you will find all available third-party integrations you can have with SubscriptionFlow. Click on Shopify. The system then requests your Shopify store name, private API key, and admin API access code. To retrieve this data, I'll need to go to my Shopify store. Log in to your Shopify store and from the search bar, click on Apps, and then on Apps and Channel Settings. In these settings, click on Develop App and then Create an App. Name the app and then click on Create App. This will land you on an app page with tabs for Overview, Configuration, API Credentials, and App Settings. Under API Credentials, you can find the API key and a field for the access code required to complete the setup in SubscriptionFlow. But before we can access this access code, it first needs to be configured according to our requirements. And it's easy. Simply click on Configure Admin API Scopes. This will take you to the Configurations tab, where you give permissions by checking boxes. Select what you want shared between the apps, which could include your products, inventory, orders, etc. Once you're done, simply click on Save. With the configurations out of the way, we can now navigate back to the API Credentials tab and click on Install App. Once the app is installed, an access token is generated, which can be retrieved by clicking on Reveal Token once. Save this token for the future because it is only accessible once. Copy and paste the access token onto the SubscriptionFlow page. Then copy and paste the API key. Lastly, you'll need to enter your Shopify store name. At the moment, our store is called SF Demo Integration. Click Connect. As you can see, the integration is now active, meaning your Shopify store is now connected to SubscriptionFlow. Just some final touches. Navigate to sync data to import customers, products, and orders. Configurations lets you set up some terms for your subscriptions, and under the Subscriptions tab, you can see all the products on your Shopify store and assign a one-time or recurring charge to them based on your needs.